settled in with Keller Williams Realty. I am your local real estate guide. Today, I want to show you how I converted my two-car garage into accessory dwelling unit. Now is currently a guest cottage. So this used to be a two-car garage, and we have successfully converted this with permit into a guest cottage. So what I did is we kind of bordered this cottage up with a 2.5-foot fence with a small gate to create little privacy for the cottage, as well as some planting space. Whoever stays there has their own little front yard. In the summertime, there's enough space for outdoor furniture, even a barbecue grill. So let me show you the inside on what we did. So this cottage is about 400 square feet. However, you could fit a lot of stuff in here. As you see, we have an open concept kitchen with a kitchen island. There's even enough room for you to put a couple of stools in front of it to create a breakfast area. There is a fully functioning 4-burner stove with a vent hood above and a fridge. There's even room for a skinny, tall wine fridge next to the fridge if someone were to do that. Obviously, there's a queen size bed, and in front of it is a sectional couch. So perfect space for a guest cottage or an Airbnb rental, or a rental for long-term rental for a young professional or a young couple. Obviously, this is a standalone cottage, so 3 sides of this cottage have window openings to allow for ample natural light coming through. So during the day, this is a very bright and sunny cottage with plenty of ventilation through the windows. This cottage also comes with a pitched roof. So to accommodate for small space living, there need to be creative solutions for storage. So we take full advantage of the pitched roof to create attic space. And there's plenty of storage space above. And it's probably has, the pitched part is probably 5 feet. So lots of high clearance for large items or storage bins. Let me show you the bathroom. So this bathroom obviously has all the amenities that's sufficient for long-term or short-term stay. Shower over tub with a shampoo nook for additional toiletry storage. Because of the size is not huge, we have created a medicine cabinet which double as a mirror for additional storage and for toiletry. The sink vanity comes with additional storage underneath. And so this is my cottage, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions about ADU conversion or construction, please feel free to contact me. I love to share with you what I know from my experience.